Good morning, everybody. I am at Walgreens on this nice rainy day. We have too much rain. We've been getting rain literally every single day. It's like it can stop because now our rivers are flooded and all that fun stuff. But I am at Walgreens today. There's actually some pretty decent sales that I'm pretty excited for to get. Like, I really want to get some cereal deals, but it doesn't look like my store's open. It's supposed to be open. There's one car here, but there's nobody in the car. But hopefully somebody's here. Hopefully it's here. I always been trying to come like around 7:30 because half the time nobody shows up when it's supposed to open. I really am like trying to avoid this store now because it just never wants to open when it's supposed to. Okay, the door just opened and then it shut. Okay, we'll see how that goes. But yeah, so I'm at Walgreens, excited to share with you guys some deals. So let's go inside and have some fun while we save some money. So here we have the Dial body wash. It's on sale this week, 2 for $7, but we currently have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon. But here you're gonna buy 3 of them. You're gonna buy 3 Dial body washes. You're gonna use that 2 off of 2 digital coupon. Together you will pay $8.50 for 3 of them. But when you purchase the 3, you will receive a $4 register reward, making them just $4.50 or just $1.50. So a pretty decent deal for some Dial body wash. So here we have the Persil, the little hand sanitizers. These are 2 for $4, and then the smaller bottles are on sale for $3. We have 50-cent Ibotta rebates for the $3 ones, and then we have 25-cent ones for the little hand purse ones. So if you guys need some Persil, it's a pretty okay deal with the Ibotta rebates stacked with it. So here we have the Colgate toothbrushes on sale for $4.50. We have the Colgate toothpaste on sale for $4.50, and along with the Colgate mouthwash for $4.50. Now we have a 4 off of 2 Colgate toothpaste digital coupon, and then we also have a 4 off of 2 for the toothpaste or the toothbrushes and the mouthwash. So you can do this deal twice. You just have to do them in separate transactions for the register reward to print. But what you can do is you can buy 2 toothbrushes, 2 mouthwashes, 1 of each. You're going to use that 4 off of 2, and then also you can buy 2 of the toothpaste, and you're going to use that 4 off of 2. Together you will pay $5 for the 2 of them, but you will receive a $4 register reward when you purchase the 2, making them both just $1 or 50 cents each. Now this coupon is a 2-week coupon, and this deal goes until the end of the month. So most likely you can do this deal this week, but I don't think we'll get a coupon next week. If we do, that'd be awesome. But I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. 50 cents for some toothpaste and mouthwash and toothbrushes, which I feel like that's what we're probably going to be paying for Colgate at Walgreens for a while. So here we have the Crest and the Oral-B. We're going to get the $3 Crest toothpaste, and then we're going to get 1 of the $3 toothbrushes. Now you can mix and match however you guys want to do it, but you can get the $3 items. We currently have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon where you will pay $3 for 2 of them, but then you will receive a $3 register reward, making them both for free. Now there are items that are $4 and there is some that are $3.50. So you guys can do that too. You might just have to pay 50 cents more or $1 more. It just depends on what you choose, but I just wanted to share with you guys this easy freebie. So here we have the Tide Pods, the Tide Liquid, the Bounce, the Downy. So I have some weird coupons. I have like $1.05 for the Downy and Gain Shakers. I have $1 for the Downy Enhancer. And then when you go to the Tide coupons, I have a $1.50 for the pods, another $1.50 for the Tide Liquid for just this one, but then I have another Tide $1.50, and then I found a $2.05, which is not showing up in my clipped, so I'm not sure what coupon would work, but we're gonna do 2 of the $1.50s and then 2 of the $1.05s. So you can mix and match however you guys want to do this, but you're gonna get 4 of the Tide products for this deal. So you can get 1 of the pods, 1 of the liquids. You can get the Downy fabric softeners, the shakers, all for $5.49. You're going to use those 4 coupons, so $2.50s and then $2.05s. Together you will pay $16.86, but when you purchase the 4 of those items, you will receive a $4 or $5 register reward, making them just $11.86 or $2.96 each if you guys were interested in that deal. We have the deal of the week for the Arm & Hammer. Again, this week it is either the pods are $7.99, but it does show that it is $7.49. And then the baby bottles are also $7.49, but they're buy one, get 2 free. That comes out to be just about $2.49, $2.50 each if you guys are interested in the Arm & Hammer deal of the week. We also have the Purex on sale, but these are just $8.99, but they are buy one, get 2 free. Also, that includes the pods, but you would get them for just $2.99 or just $3 each if you guys are interested in the Purex. So we have the Complete Home or Walgreens bags, trash bags, the medium and the small. These are just regular price, $4.99. But this week they're buy one, get 2 free. So you guys would pay about $4.99, making them about $1.66 each. I always use these for my car, and then I use them for my bathroom. But these are a great deal if you guys need some small or medium trash bags. So the General Mills cereal is finally more money now. It used to be $1.99, but now they're $2.79. But we actually have a deal for the Reese's Puffs, okay? So they are $2.79. We have a $1 off a 2 digital coupon that you guys will use. You will end up paying just $4.58 for the 2 of them. But there is a 75-cent Ibotta rebate for the Reese's Puffs, so you get $1.50 back. And yes, you guys can use coupons for it. It doesn't say that you can't. So you're gonna get $1.50 back with Ibotta, making your final price just $3.08 or $1.54 a box, which is a pretty decent deal. There is some Fetch Rewards deals where I have it where if I spend $40, I get 2,000 points. And then if I buy 5 boxes, I get 1,100, which I'm not doing that, but I'm definitely gonna get 2 boxes of the Reese's Puffs cereal. So here we have the Kellogg cereal. It is an all-month deal, but they have them for buy one, get 2 free. So you basically would pay $6 or $5.99 for some cereal, but we do have some Ibotta rebates. Now I did scan the corn flakes or corn pops. Nothing's popping up for that. The Apple Jacks, this one shows that it's 50 cents, but it just says for an 8.9, and this one's a little bit smaller. And then I can't scan the Fruit Loops or the Frosted Flakes because my store is sold out of those. But if your store has them, you can scan them. There is supposedly a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta for the Fruit Loops. We got for the marshmallow ones, which is not tagged, but I have a feeling that's on sale. Then we have 50 cents for the Frosted Flakes, so you guys could check those and see, but it could be a really great deal if you guys have the Ibotta rebates with the 3 for $5.99. Now I'm just looking at the cookies, but if you guys ever need some really good cookies, these are usually a really great price. 2 for $3 or $1.79. I'm just giving you a heads up, these are super good, and it's awesome price if you guys need these cookies. But they have like the honey bears, they have the iced oatmeal, the butter cookies, and the chocolate chip. But definitely a great deal if you guys need some. I'm just saying, I love them. So here is a gift card deal. We can get 2 of the Fandangos for $25 each, or you can get 2 of the Top Golf ones for $25 each. So you pay $50, but then you receive a $5 Walgreens gift card. So you basically get a $55 value for $50. Not the greatest deal, but if you guys want to go ahead and do it, go for it, but there'll be better deals in the future. Now make sure you guys are checking out your red, white, and blue candy. We have the Airhead mini bars and the Blow Pops. There's the Tootsie Rolls too. These are ringing up $1.49 on unmarked clearance. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. I'm debating if I should get more of these because my kids love this stuff, but $1.49 is an awesome deal. Hello everybody, welcome. I'm really starting to hate shopping at this store. I've been shopping at this store for almost 10 years, and I'm really getting sick of shopping at this store. I don't know why. I'm very close to stop couponing altogether. Like, I'm not mad, but I'm just that close, and I kind of want to do my life update video, but I have to wait until I can get the okay to tell you guys what the heck is going on. But anyways, this store, like, it's just all new people. Half the people are brand new. I just went and got something. I realized the register reward didn't print off, so I go back in the store. She doesn't know how to give me points. And then she's like, we'll come back tomorrow and we'll do it. I'm like, I'm not making a special trip to this store just for $3 worth of points. And then she's like, well, I don't know how to do it. I'm like, well, you're the manager. You should be able to know how to do this stuff. So anyways, yeah. So let me share with you guys what I got. But yeah, I'm so close to stop. I'm really close to not couponing anymore. Yeah. So anyways, I got the Dial body wash. These were 2 for $7, but then there is a 2 off of 2 digital coupon, but you want to get 3 of them. You will pay $8.50 for the Dial body wash. It includes the men's also, so you're going to use that. You will receive a $4 register reward when you purchase the 3 of them, making them just $4.50 or $1.50 each, which is a pretty decent deal if you guys want to go ahead and do that. Now, I had a booster where if I spent like 50 bucks or something, I got like $10. I'm not paying $40 out of pocket. So yeah. But I ended up getting the Colgate toothpaste and the Colgate mouthwash and toothbrush. I did these in 2 separate transactions. These are all $4.50. I had a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $4, or you would pay $5 and $5, but then you will receive a $4 register reward, making them just $1 or 50 cents each. So those are a great deal if you guys need to go ahead and get some Colgate. And then I also got Oral-B. I have it in this box. These were $3 each. I had a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $3 for it, but then the $3 register reward did not print off. And she was telling me, well, did it show up in your Walgreens account? No, it didn't. My receipt says it right. Well, if it doesn't print off, then it showed up in your Walgreens account. No, it didn't. It would say right here if it did. Well, it's in there. No, it's not. I know how Walgreens works majority than most of how the employees do it. But no, I didn't get points for it. I did not get points for it. I even showed her it, so is it right there. I got like, for that transaction, I got 17 cents. So no, I didn't get it. I do know Oral-B has problems with their register rewards. So what I have to do now is contact the Catalina company. I have to fill out this form and they'll mail me my register reward. I hate doing it, but I'll do it. Or I could just return this stuff. So, but anyways, you would get the $3 register reward, making them both for free. So just giving you guys a heads up. If you guys, I know you guys deal with sometimes worse stuff than what I do. That's why I like sticking to a routine. I like dealing with the same people over and over again. But then when you get people here who haven't been to Walgreens very long, like she has no idea what the heck's going on. She's telling me how something goes. That's not how it goes. That's not how it goes. And sometimes you got to put your foot down. You got to put your foot down. And I try not to come off as a business when it comes to stuff like that, but it's like I do know the system more than the employees do, and I have taught the employees many things about stuff, but it just makes me mad when she's like, well, you did get it. No, I did not. I can guarantee you I did not. So I ended up getting the Reese's Puffs cereal. These were $2.79. It's crazy. These used to be like 2 for $2. And then they changed them, or like 2 for $3 or something like that. And then they changed them to like $1.99, which is still a pretty good deal. Now they're $2.79. The cereal boxes keep getting smaller, and the prices just keep going up. Like this is like 3 breakfasts for me. But there is a $1 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. I also received a $1.50 off of 3 Catalina, if you guys do get that. And there is a $1.50 off a 3 digital coupon too. But you would pay $4.58 for 2 boxes of cereal with that $1 off a 2 digital coupon. There's a 75-cent rebate times 2 with Ibotta, making it $3.08 or $1.54. So $1.54 for 2 boxes of cereal, or $1.54 for a box of cereal, I think is a pretty decent deal considering the prices just keep going up. I do know there's better deals at like grocery stores, but not everybody has access to those grocery stores. And that's why I try to share with you guys. Like I always see people like, well, you can get it cheaper at this store. Yes, you can, but not everybody has that store. So I'm just letting you guys know, not everybody has that store. And then some people prefer to shop at Walgreens for their groceries than other places. But anyways, that was everything that I got. My total was $30.55. I did pay with register rewards. I did pay with points, so I didn't pay anywhere near that. But $30.55. I ended up getting 21 cents of points. I did receive $12 of register rewards, and then I was supposed to get that $3 one, so I have to contact the Catalina company to get that to print out. So I was supposed to get $15 worth of register rewards. With Ibotta, I had the $1.50 for the Reese's, and then I had a 10-cent any receipt, so I got $1.60 back. And then don't forget to submit your receipt to the box tops, you guys. Just giving you guys a heads up, I made like 20 cents for my kids already. I'm already at like $1 this year for the new savings at Reset. So I always do that. And I also noticed just now, Kellogg's always has free books for the summer. I haven't seen anything yet. I have to look and see if they're doing it this year, but I haven't seen any of the Kellogg's with the free books, and they've been doing that for the last 4 or 5 years. So if I do remember and I do think of that, I'm going to make a separate video for the Kellogg's books. I know it's like late in the summer, but we're still gonna look into that. But my total came to be $13.74. I got 14 items at $13.74. That's like 98 cents each. So pretty okay deal with everything that I got. Oh, I forgot to share with you guys. I did get 2 bags of the Airheads for $1.49, and then I also got the Blow Pops. When I was asking her for the price check, I said, "Are these $1.49?" She's like, "Yep, $1.49, or they're 2 for $8." They would not be 2 for $8 if they're $1.49 each. And they rung up $1.49 each. So, yeah. I don't know. Like I said, I'm so close. Like, I'm dreading waking up in the morning coming to Walgreens because half the time their store's not open. This store, I used to have the same employees every single week for years. The store changed to not be a 24-hour store. Walgreens is not doing the greatest, you guys. Not at all. But the 24-hour people left the store to go to a different 24-hour store. So I'm like debating if I want to go to the other 24-hour store. Like, I should go check out that store and see if it's a big store, because like this is considered a bigger store. But I'm like, I'm at the point where it's like, I miss seeing the same employees every week. It's a new person every single week. And I know you guys are, I know some of you guys like to stick to the same routine, the same people every single week. But it's just getting ridiculous. But the good thing is I do have the store manager's permission to film in the store. So if I ever have an altercation like I did a couple weeks ago, I have proof that the store manager said it was okay that I can record in the store. So that's like the only thing I got going on. But I'm just kind of frustrated. I'm burnt out. And there's just a lot of stuff that's going on. And I just really, really want to tell you guys. And I can't. But I'm hoping for a life update video soon. I'm hoping for it soon. But we will see what's going on. But I hope you guys have a great day. Hopefully you guys have an awesome shopping weekend, and I hope you guys have a great week. I hope you had an awesome 4th of July, and I will see you guys all next week. See you later. Bye-bye.